How to roll back a driver update in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to revert a driver to its previous version if a recent update caused issues. First, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the menu. From there, expand the category that contains the device you want to roll back. For example, expand Display Adapters for your graphics card or Sound, Video, and Game Controllers for your audio device. After that, right-click on the device and select Properties from the menu. At this point, click on the Driver tab at the top of the Properties window. From here, click Rollback Driver. Following this, a pop-up will appear asking why you want to roll back. Select the reason that best applies and click Yes to confirm. After that, Windows will uninstall the current driver and restore the previous version automatically. From here, once the process is complete, you may be prompted to restart your PC for the changes to fully take effect. Click Yes to restart straight away. Finally, keep in mind that the Rollback Driver button will be grayed out if there's no previous driver version saved on your device, which means Windows doesn't have an older version to revert to, and you may need to manually download one from the manufacturer's website instead. That's how you roll back a driver update in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!